What's up? What's up? This your boy. Come with a brief message. If you live in the United States, if you live in Georgia, especially Central Georgia, and you're wondering why it's raining so much, what is causing this abundance of rain that we are getting? Just don't fret. Don't complain. Don't be weary. Just be thankful, rejoice, and be glad in it. For the Lord your God has favored and blessed the land. About a month ago, the president rededicated the United States territory back to Christ. And usually, when you dedicate a territory or a large piece of land back to the Lord will restore that land. And that's basically what you're basically seeing, a restoration upon the land. Once the land was rededicated and a new covenant, commandments are basically followed. God shows favor upon the land. He restores that land. He protects that land. Because his provision and his favor is on the land. Just rejoice and be glad in it. In the book of Deuteronomy, basically states that if you follow my statutes and my commandments, I will bless your land. I will provide you with an abundance of rain to bless your livestock, the crops, the livelihood, and then resources, an abundance of resources coming forth from the abundance of rain that he pours upon the land. So think it not strange that there is an abundance of rain, but rejoice and be glad in it, because God is restoring the land and his favor is upon the land. Peace. I'm out.